All right, we're here doing one of these 10 by 10 gazebos by Yardistry. Here's all the roof assembly parts. We all inventoried everything. Everything came in the box, the 3 boxes that come from the manufacturer, from the store wherever it was purchased from by the owner here. And we inventoried all the parts. There's just a view of the amount of hardware that comes with this system. That's probably a good day's worth of labor just to pre-assemble everything before you actually stand the parts up to actually build the gazebo. We have to build the beams, the header beams. We have to put all the post bracketing together, trim them out. So we're at that process right now, putting the mounting brackets on, which we're going to mount this thing on this deck right here, and we'll probably have to crawl underneath and put some bracketing in between the joists in order to secure some bolts into these holes here, so it's actually mounted into the substructure underneath this vinyl decking here. And we will do another one in a little bit to show our progress in the next hour or two